guys, so we're going to our vintage booth today and add some more. I'm gonna add some more items because I was looking at the video and I said I can definitely fit more those salt and pepper shakers that I have. Hello guys, so ito yung ngayon yung booth ko. Arrange ko siya ng kaunti para para may malagay ako, para mailagay ko yung mga salt and pepper shakers ko. So ito yung mga naka-display right now sa booth namin. Kung curious kayo kung magkano ang kinita ko kinita namin dito ngayon sa booth. So for all of you know, 1 month pa lang kami dito sa space namin. And so it's been a work in progress. Marami pa kami nga ayusin, hindi pa masyadong display. Nag-add lang kami ng lights kasi napansin ko medyo madilim yung space. So, ang kinita namin this month is tumataginting na $11. Yes, $11. And syempre yung price na yon is may binili namin yon. So, pa-minus mo pa yung puhunan mo sa kita mo. But I think I'm enjoying it too much to complain right now. I'm just focusing on how, paano mapaganda yung booth namin. So, yun lang for today. Thank you guys.